Hi guys, and we are here at Yogurt Nation, here at the Taguig Global City, and it's a three-floor building. Building ba to? It's a three-building establishment. Sa baba, it's a yogurt store. Second floor, it's a dining area para restaurant. We offered some taco sandwiches. They have a pasta. Ano pa ba? And a lot more. Mga may cheese sticks and etc. On the third floor, which is the lounge, it's a bar na binibisita ng mga kabataan. Kita ko kanina, dami mga nakaskirt. Mga kabataan mga yan, tag-iinuman. And later on, we're going downstairs to eat some yogurt. And natin baka mag-iinuman dito sa the bar. So I'm here with our fellow vloggers. Ayan, Boy Kulipot. Ayan. Ayan sila lahat. Say hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Ayan.
I'm kasabit na lingkit-kit.
Lingkit. Ayan, ano pa dun sa kabila. So, that's all. And see you later on our next vlog.